Shibenta ban rakhe yak Fit India Movement. Balawanra da Menteri Rang Ba do kari Narendra Modi. Menteri Rang Ba ka Sarkar Jila Conrad ke sangma. Menta ka step ula Iaid ka Kjat na ka jakasa jung na polo Shadow Secretariat ha IGP. Ka jingya Kjat ka jung kolong iway 0.1 kilometer AA.
Honorable Prime Minister, even we as the state government, we are working towards that, and a big program is going to be launched in the next few days. Today we had a program which is part of the Fit India movement of the Prime Minister. We are calling it Walk to Work, and the idea is that that you can walk to work, and this is something that will have multiple benefits for you, including of course cutting your cost of the fuel, including reduction in the CO2 emission, including reducing the congestion in the city, Shillong city, and more importantly for your health and for your fitness. So I think if the population of Shillong starts to adopt this in the weeks to come and ensures that once a week that you walk to work, I think this would lead to a great deal of benefit for everybody, including the individual and the city as a whole. So this is a part of that program, and we started that today. And I would urge and appeal to all the citizens to kindly follow this, and imagine if 50% people also start doing this, how it will make a difference in Shillong city, and I think it will lead to a fitter individual, a fitter Shillong, and a fitter nation.